Hey guys, I have a fun Lark's head knot design for you today. It's a unique design that creates loops on the outer sides and a cross in the middle. It would look great added to the back of a wall hanging. Let's get started. I'm using 4mm recycled rope in the colors Moonlight and Terracotta. If you're new here, I sell a range of fiber supplies on my website lotsofknots.ca. Cut 2 pieces of Moonlight rope and 1 piece of Terracotta red, each piece is 6 feet long. Fold the pieces in half and attach them to your dowel as I've done here. Grab the cord on the left and tie a lark's head knot to the cord to the right of it. It can be a bit confusing, so here's how I remember to tie the lark's head knot. In front and around, behind and around. Cross the terracotta cords and then tie another lark's head knot underneath the first knot. Remember, in front and around, behind and around. Repeat on the right side of your work. Repeat that process to create a design of your desired length. Thanks so much for watching.